Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a white outline to your photos like the one that you see right here, and we're going to do everything with Canva. So if you guys are interested in this tutorial, here we are in the Canva editor, and I already uploaded the photo that I'm going to be working with. So I will go uploads here. I am using a photo from Canva Photos. You can also use your own photograph for it by using the upload media right here. So, I'm just going to add it to my empty page, and now in order to remove the background of this photo, I'm going to be using a Canva Pro feature that is here under Edit Image, and I'm going to remove the background. If you already have a photo without a background, you can use it in Canva. When we are going to add the outline, this is just a step that I like to do, then apply. After hitting apply, wait a couple of seconds until the photo is fully uploaded again into Canva. I think it should be right about now. I can crop the empty spaces of my image. Now I want to change the color of the background for you guys to be able to see the white outline that we're going to add. So hitting on the background of my design, I'm going to change the color of the background to yellow, and now, I'm just going to select my photo, go to Edit Image, and in this case, I'm going to use called Shadows. If you don't see it here under Recently Used, just go below. If you haven't connected your Shadows feature to your camera account, it should be here. You see it says you may also like these or some other Canva features or applications. So if you see Shadows over here, just click on it and click Connect. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And now after you have your Shadows feature connected to your camera account, click on it, and then click on Glow here. You would like to click one more time on top of Glow so you can access these settings. And now we are going to move some sliders, move the transparency to 100 and then the blur to 0. Now we're going to increase the size of the line, and at this moment, have a dark or black line. So let's change it for white, and actually you can change this outline for any color that you wish. In this case, we're going to add a white outline, and there you have it. If you like this tutorial, remember to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. You guys have a good day.